been a while. It's me again, Nicole John, ang nag-iisang asawa ni Jojo Cook na BTS. Kidding! So, I'm going to unboxing my BTS MOTS Lightstick SE and my Proof Album Compact. Yun guys, so nabili ko to guys, purchase ko to kay Mimi Style. Yung friend ko sa Facebook, napakabait niyan guys, parang installment dyan. Okay, let's go! By the way, it's my parcel in Shopee. Look what I got! What I've got pala. Here's design for Lightstick. It's Bangtan, Jungkook, and Taeyong. Yeah, I got this. This one at Papers and Prints in Shopee, guys. You want to order, guys, mura lang. My God, puro bubble wrap, Mimi. Thank you for securing my album. Oh my God! This is the compact album. This compact album, guys. If you see this. Oh my God. It's fine, kuya. Look, guys. This one is my army bomb! Special edition Lightstick. Oh my God! If you want to avail guys, kontakin nyo lang si Mimi Staff dun sa Facebook. And pwedeng installment din. Pakabait niyan, sobra. Sino ba? Ano ba kung unahin ko? Sige, this one na lang. The compact album. Excited ako! By the way, happy birthday, Jimin! It's October 13 today. Napul ko. Kunyari di ko nakikita. It's Namjoon! I have Namjoon PC. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God, guys. Look. Ah! Oh my God! Wow! What about this one? This is the tape. It's super beautiful, you know. Napabrading na nga. Oh my God! I love you, my 7. OT7. Love you, guys. I miss you, BTS. Please come back to me. Oh, ang ganda. Ayun, guys. Napakamura nito. Avail na kayo kay Nini. Ito naman. I'm going to open my album. I mean the Lightstick. Oh my God, I got my Lightstick. Kasi, you know, lapit na yung concert ng BTS sa Busan sa 15 and Magla-live viewing kami with ACF Pam. Hi, ACF Pam. Look at my army bomb. Let's see. What's about this one? Baka masira. I have army bomb. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Finally, guys. Oh my god. Walang battery. Okay, kailangan ko pala mag-abid ng battery. What battery is this? Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, ready na for live viewings, 15. Okay, meron pa pala si Mimi. Wow, may freebies si Taeyun. Pakagwapo. Freebies ni Mimi. Thank you, Mimi. Namjoon. Seokjin. Yoongi. Oba. Jiminy, happy birthday. Thank you, oh my god. And my baby, John Jungkook. So, ayun guys. Ito lang. Unboxing lang. So, ayun guys. Even BTS is not active, let's support them always. Yun lang, yun lang. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. I have like it now. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell para maging notified ka guys para maging notified ka sa aking YouTube channel kahit inactive. Thank you, bye. Go ahead.